People are the same in any part of the world. If you are sensitive to people, everything else falls in place. Every business enterprise should have a dharma. In our case, the dharma is to elevate the standard of living of our employees.
In 2012, Sundram Fasteners wanted to improve its quality standards and take it to the next level.
The entire growth of quality in Sundram Fasteners has been a long journey. The TQM itself has taken only 6 years, but if you look at the TPM effort before that, or our own effort with other consulting agencies, we have gone through a long procedure of learning, assimilating and becoming proficient at whatever we are doing.
We had a solid foundation of quality in the organization. However, since we had introduced many new products and new technologies, we felt we need to embark on a TQM journey to help us further refine and redefine what quality means to us in the organization.
And we have become more disciplined and much better people even in our everyday lives. Quality is more than a mantra. We believe that it's in our DNA, it's in our every process and our every product.
We are the primary component manufacturers for the world's automobiles.
Sundram Fasteners has started working on components for electric cars, which are going to be the future of automobile industries.
விதித்தது ஒரு விதைதான், ஆனால் இன்று அது ஒரு பிரம்மாண்டமான ஆலமரமாக வளர்ந்து எவ்வளவோ வேலைவாய்ப்பு உண்டாக்கி உங்களுக்கும் உங்கள் குடும்பத்தினருக்கும் வாழ்க்கை தரம் உயர உறுதுணையாக அமைந்திருக்கிறது.
நான் ஒரு சிறு விதை மண்ணில் விழுந்தேன், மண் மூடி விட்டது சில்லென்றொரு மழைத்துளி. கண் விழித்தேன் இன்று நான் ஒரு ஆலமரம்.
கண் விழித்தேன்